You know it's me, Oppo Waichi Mhlikazi, it's Chief from Dikasi. Ngisayejuzi ngiyophandela ikasi. Ngiyo network and see what can I get for my chance. Yo. Let me just go through by them and junta the chains. Cheaters. How's it? On the highest level, you know.
Abantwana ma-Uber maduman bafuna ukusivalela shawumthanga nabo man angithi sisonke maduman lothat batakwana they another plan. Abantwana ma-Uber maduman.
Niggas, I'm still going to hustle for ikasi in Sachiya. In the win. Now I'm going to choose. Yeah, there's a chance these are the chance, you know. Let's buy and find the locations. Away pass. It's his child. Now I'm going to say we get the first fire. You find the location after that poison. But Hanan, I'm going to achieve. I'm going to achieve the idea. Yeah. So no, you need to think. When I'm achieve that, can the location you can This is one of my niggas that I was telling you about, that you have to meet these niggas. How are you doing, Poison Parks? Niggas, Nandi Owens. Bafethu, yeah, ikho nyinto. Kuli wami, Nandi kuliya. Yeah, nampe singisachika le juice. Uyazi siphandela ilokishi ayikho enyinto, siphandela ilokishi yakhe juice. Khona manje amaniga sephini. Bophuti nimnandi na wesi. Awasezwa ikho enyinto athi ngishiye ngithi ngompheko kuba bamreja then. After that, it's a reputation of the day, Poison. White dove, lega mnyango ndingene ndlela zikhanya will stick in my lane mali ningi jonga mpetha ibaleki xa ndithe ibaleki I mean accounting lot of stacks in my bank account each and every day we going up like Soweto towers nigga rinyaki matata ripanda zaga chelete zaga just funa uzala to make a prom ngoba nayo she would make sure give us lead in zip scorn beka kusasa dana zoconsa futhi ezibay angeke zikhole umama sistajo nguthenga iyogati unforgettable memories that's why I wanna make us proud. I repeat it, come Mhlikazi, straight from me cause it fires and dies. Dimo mzala kalwazi, lo wasemlazi, hayi not lo wasemlazi, thetanga lo wasepaye, daddy wane wome paye, not emtanzane, yo. Khona zochebeka, khona zokundenda, ndithi abantwana abadlala ngeskere. Khona zochebeka, khona zokundenda, ndithi abantwana abadlala ngeskere. Khona zochebeka, khona zokundenda, dlala ngeskere.
In my veins, my speed remains in the moody. Surely he on pure pains can't remove the stains.
Okay, homies and shouties, we have landed in the land of Bram. I don't know where are we going to start or where are we going to head to, but then we have to. We don't have a choice.
In my veins, my speed remains in the moody. Surely he on pure pains can't remove the stains. Brigadier Ruken Velis Kishu file Singongizele Paraitwala C machines Kalashnikova Simbevis. Please don't bother Ebaba Yinu.
We are here now. We're still searching. We haven't found anything so far. We haven't found anything so far. But then we will keep on trying. Keep on looking. We just have to keep on looking. I'm sure we might find something or someone. Who knows? God works in so many ways. Then it's the second trip.
Yeah. Cooking it. Yeah. I'm cooking it. YG. Yeah.
if I miss you for real. Ngeke ngihlale ngempela Khame eduzane sondela Ebethandaza ngempela Makhona umdali Abube mnyama Makhona uJesu Uvele ekhaya Makhona umdali Abube mnyama Khona uJesu Uvele ekhaya Go to my knees Talk to G.O.D. Thetha ngoThixo
Out of 5, let's not even go far. Out of 5.
I wanna
Maybe 10. Out of 10, okay,
out of 10.
Yeah.
I wanna leyo kuyi-2 yini igama layo le
Ingempela.
ingempela aleyidlile le mina ngishayela ngale
Okay, sure. Adayishon about him.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
A 9.
9 out of 10.
Nigga lam.
I doesn't hit.
When nigga lam.
solid 9
Solid 9. Bon. Danke chance.
Thank you papa
Lizama unreleased. Sibonga machita players that never finished. By the way, Kamala Mwaichi Mhlekazi, which stands for Mr. Young and Gifted. The name of the crew is YPG. Ngazi nokuthi amachita angamind if ngoma Melissa maybe one of our tracks. Sibonge bobhuti.
Yeah, if I miss you for real. Ngeke ngihlale ngempela Khame eduzane sondela Ebethandaza ngempela Makhona umdali Abube mnyama Makhona uJesu Uvele ekhaya Makhona umdali
Ngicela ukwazi nje rating yakho ingathini out of 8 just ngafiki even on 10.
Out of 8?
Yeah.
I give it a 5. 5.5.
Sibonga. We are a movement by the way. Ngiyazi njalo.
Kang, Rihanna, Lil Kang, music videos, you know, what you call them, those short clips, and if like shorts, reels, you know, quick 1 minute videos around the top.
Is it? Okay, ngicela ukuthi uprofile impekulisho la igama lithi yakho on everything so that the doctrine is mamele.
Yo, I don't even, but yeah, extreme lifestyle. Yo, it's off. Feel like it's off. Extreme lifestyle, chat.
Lethu siyilokisho yazi nathi sila ukuthi base represent basupport nani ngicela basupport la.
Every song just uploaded, guys. Tap in. I just drop. I go back.
Away. Abafethu uthi
I'm tired.
fede no problem.
Just drop me a thing. I feel it. I don't have.
Gazi, show from the Gazi I represent Gazi Delali, Zbalandazi
Ngicela ukubambela so speak.
YG Yeah, if I miss you for real. Ngeke ngihlale ngempela Khame eduzane sondela Ebethandaza ngempela Makhona umdali Abube mnyama Makhona uJesu Uvele ekhaya Makhona umdali Abube mnyama Makhona uJesu Uvele ekhaya Go to my knees Talk to G.O.D. Thetha ngoThixo Funa le mali Funa amagubu Chelete ngada Fana sikanlika Sheba mawubane umkhatile konso Enda kawuhlapha Gerike phoso Stopa ubulela ntwana ke poso
Out of 10 bophuthi bami nisinika ngakhi? Or just out of 5 because sese amamecha.
I'm gonna 4.
4.
Sonke kuwena.
Yeah, out of 5.
Yeah.
4. Okay, asibonge no. Blessed
If it
makhotiza.
was out of 10 or 9.
9. Yeah. Sibonge machita. Represent ilokishi mani ngilemsod. 10 ukunika ngakhi ntombi yakho? Out of 10 unika ngakhi?
out of 10
Yeah.
mina ngokunika
8%. Sengiyakhalculate ke bafethu ukuthi 8% ka10 ubani kodwa ke sibonge out of 6. I should 6 bro. Sure.
Shuku era they can take you a long way.
Nah, sibonge bafethu. Mina bafethu ngisuke lokishini ngizorepresent umusic wami namachita wami. Ngishiya uthi ngike ngiphume lokishini ngike ngize somewhere ngimusha la Instagram, TikTok. Yeah.
Honestly, those things are
You are my happy.
Shayina Mangalaka to my vest. Need to use in pits in Johnny vest. Shay vest, in my vest, and man, it's all black nigga.
Aye. Came with this shit with a big spliff. All of my niggas with big guns. Now God gave us keys now to success. We don't wanna talk loud. Came with the clock and I'm shooting. I ain't missing my shot in his horse now. Thank you God for this day. Yeah, every day now I'm riding. Yeah,
Then, if niggas don't mind, leave.
Because my most of the jungle empty corner when you buy shadow. I understand.
Yeah.
And the style as I push and fall. Mama, you can originally.
Sure. Now put in your moves again up biggie. Otherwise we'd have pouchy. Okay, then if I can play that shit. I will play 2 for you, Chance, because there's a trap in the hip hop time.
Alright.
That's that.
Oh shit. So it's on now.
Yeah, it's on. Or do you wanna send a shout out? Can you please hold here so that everyone can hear?
If I miss you for real. Yeah, ngihlale ngempela Khame eduzane sondela Ebethandaza ngempela Makhona umdali Akube mnyama Khona uJesu uvele ekhaya Makhona umdali Akube mnyama Khona uJesu uvele ekhaya Go to my knees, talk to G.O.D. Thetha ngoThixo, sifuna le mali, funa amagumbo, chelete ngada, fana skalika, sheba mawubane ungihadile konso, account lapha kereke phoso, stopa ubulela ntwana ke poso, on the mic ke diranyoso, kaya pay ngithela chupa lisoso, nigga guess what you can call me a lost, I fuck with the passion, on my mic I spray with the passion, lot of this nigga that think that I'm white.
Yeah.
See on the first track.
First track, yo.
The first track, I feel like the gents need to put in more deliberate. I don't know if I'm saying that word right.
Yeah, the second verse was really fine.
Yeah. Nah,
So,
that's
yeah,
not
like
the
the
second
first
track.
one, you're
The
saying,
first
like,
track. I'm
they
talking about the
must-
first track.
Like the
Because it sounds like the owns are more
delivery.
delivery, bro.
Okay.
Because it feels like the niggas are just reading the lines or they're freestyling them, but they don't have emphasis or like heavy meaning to them. You see? So I might say the second track I bet is hard. Yeah.
The ratings here for both tracks.
Alright, the second out of what?
Word of the day, Posey.
What of the day? My guy, just do it. Like Nike said, just do it, my guy. Just go on, my guy, just do it, my guy. You see the results, though.
I don't know what the fuck going on. Ain't came here to play, my nigga. Ain't came here to play.
A shot of faith. Leave a shout out.
Yo, what's up? How are you?
Fine. Leave a shout out for these niggas. Shout out.
The illegal. Yo, shout out.
Ashbe uzene anibambe buli. Zene anibambe buli. Hayi ukuthi siyabreka Bram. La imbram. Hayi ukuthi siyabreka. Bonke dog lam. So you don't mind niggas if I take let me just quote it live. Ngixolele fa. Ngixolele ngingadam. Awepha Nandi.
Probably fail. Yeah.
Awe. 95 rand pa. My chance. Izinja. Yeah.
Thetha ngoThixo, funa le mali, funa amagumbo, chelete ngada, fana skalika, sheba mawubane ungihadile konso, account lapha kereke phoso, stopa ubulela ntwana ke. Thetha ngoThixo, funa le mali, funa amagumbo, chelete ngada, fana skalika, sheba mawubane ungihadile konso, account lapha kereke phoso, stopa ubulela ntwana ke phoso, on the mic ke diranyoso, kaya pay ngithela chupa lisoso, nigga guess what you can call me a lost, I fuck with the passion, on my mic I spray with the passion, lot of this nigga that think that I'm white, nah nigga I know that I'm dope,
Bonke khothiza lapho. Danke chance.
Ntola, you have music, you qualify for the goal, not playing, but it's groundwork, working, my kid. So, Pantsula, Pantsula vibe.
Wazongota wena. Awubatshele. Bheka shuthi
bheka. Ayikabi.
Hayi ukuthi uyabreka brr kodwa.
Asikisima kubhlungu ngisazovela ngebrr. Babonise ibheka nali brr. Ay. They don't want less, they want more.
Ama-ani bambe buni madoda abomayibobo. Bheka sisebrama ukuthi ngiyabreka. Yini nama-ani bambe buni aphulaphule nawo ubaba waphesheya.
Go Sani and Bambe Budi. Go and not just no and nani nasibone
Abomayibobo.
laba bashisa ukudlula la malatina wangada
Abomayibobo izinto eziyeni izinto ezikhanya eziqhakazisayo bheka
wena nje wami
I'm a drug in your face, baby, just fight.
I push my chin.
He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. But I'm what you need. I'm what you need.
Bekeli beke sikade umzi nawe zibeka ngokushaya ngomzimba ungangiphendula islim 012 lana somsort right now 012 or a sosh deshina makwa ngebot lana somsort triple combos jongu ya force ufuna le honor ngomthangeli oreo oh no who know bekeli beke sikade umzi nawe zibeka ngokushaya ngomzimba ungangiphendula islim 012 lana somsort right now 012 or a sosh deshina makwa ngebot lana somsort triple combos jongu ya force ufuna le honor ngomthangeli oreo oh no who knows.
Shop, ey, usefikile uphunyuka bemphethe noma ungangiphephetha sikhi isiphetho shike Golgotha sobona ompethe mina inkalakatha ngizwana nokuthetha zimbili indlela kungcono sikhethe basaba zonke bayazi ngiphethe bazama ngungiqeda abazi ngumkhethwa njengenkosi uShaka Zulu ngasizwa isizwe saka mthethwa le ndaba iphili yalokuphethwa umongameli usengakhethwa sibaningi kaba sifune kuphathwa umzimba wakho usenganethwa ikhanda lakhe lisengalethwa yakhala indoda kuyobelethwa soyidudula bazoyiletha seyiloliwe siyabaqatha seyashisa ngizoyifumbatha leso sihluthu ngizosibhambatha useyaspeed ushovulwatha lezo yihlathi ngizosiphaphatha uzenza uclever ngabe impathy quarantine soyimumathi yasiphilisa sayinambitha okwenkukhu sabaqutha mase